Hey fashion lovers, welcome to the Fashion Try-On. If you want to support our channel, please be sure to like and subscribe. And if you like any of the items you see, be sure to check the description for links and discounts. Today we are unboxing and taking a look at the Stanley Target exclusive Valentine's Day themed 30 and 40 ounce quenchers. Now we previously unboxed the 20 ounce quenchers in both the red and the pink colorways, but these are the bigger kids in town. So if you were thinking of grabbing a mommy and me duo or a mini and midi duo, here are some additional insights about the two. Now, they both come with the same sleeve around the bottom of the quencher, so they're gonna have that typical Stanley quencher, sleeve, but on the side of it, it has a to and from that's just really cute. It looks like one of those CVS style Valentines that you give out at school. So I really love it. Now, I had not seen the 30 and the 40 ounce quencher next to each other before, so I was really excited to see these side by side, especially with the theme. I felt like they were really different, or like even more different than I thought that they would be for only having 10 ounces more or less. So I always thought like the 40 ounce was just a little bit too large for me, and the 30 feels like the same kind of vibe but just a little bit more manageable. So let me know what you think in the comments below. What are your thoughts on the 30 versus 40? I think at least in this collection I'm going with the 30, and especially the 20. Now, something else I did pick up are these cute red and pink straws. Now, I don't see too many people talking about these straws, but I think they're so cute, and especially paired with this collection, either the red or the pink, it just gives an extra little dash of color to add to your Stanley. Now, it is unfortunate that these are the 40 ounce size, and I'm not sure that they make them in the 30 ounce size, so just keep that in mind. You can use them if you want to kind of shove it in there, but it is a little bit too large for the straw hole on the 30, which is what we're looking at right now, so they kind of stick out. So they could work if you make it work, but they're not a perfect fit. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and happy Valentine's Day.